Imagine stepping into a place where history, faith, and beauty come together in perfect harmony. This is the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque in Abu Dhabi, a true wonder of the modern world, and honestly, it's even more stunning in real life than in any photo you've ever seen. With its 82 pure white marble domes, over 1,000 columns, and gold-plated chandeliers that sparkle like 1,000 suns, the mosque is not just a place of worship, it's a masterpiece of art and devotion. Each detail, from the intricate floral mosaics to the world's largest hand-woven carpet, tells a story of unity and peace, just as Sheikh Zayed, the UAE's founding father, dreamed. When I walked through those grand doors, I felt a calm settle over me. It's not only the scale that impresses, it's the spirit of the place. People from every walk of life, every corner of the globe, come here, removing their shoes and, for a moment, sharing in something bigger than themselves. As sunlight pours through the arches, painting the marble in a golden glow, you can almost hear the silent prayers of millions. This is the soul of Islam, welcoming, radiant, and filled with hope. If you love to travel for experiences that touch your heart, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque should definitely be on your bucket list. Come for the architecture, stay for the serenity. Trust me, you'll leave with your spirit a little lighter and your eyes a